Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. My name is Mungai Kihara. Today we are in Karen, Kenya, and this is an estate of 10 mega mansions. Each of these homes has been constructed on half an acre piece of land, and the print area is 450 square meters. The specs of this home are: it's a 5-bedroom, all-en-suite mansion with extras like a gym, an entertainment room, a clubhouse, and a 24 hours surveillance system. The price of this home is 120 million, and my duty today is to prove to you that it's worth it. Come with me. Before we get inside, this home comes with a 20-foot grade foyer, and on the opposite side, you have a 2-car parking. That's not enough. On the other side, you still have an extra 2-car parking. That's crazy because you still have this extra space for more of your cars. Let me take you inside. Before you get inside, this home comes with a massive door, and you have a nice scanner here for anyone who would want to visit. Let's get inside. From the entrance, you are welcomed by this massive staircase that leads you to the upper level. On my left-hand side, you have the primary living room, and on my right-hand side, you have the guest bedroom. Here, you have the common washroom, and next to it, you have the entrance to the gym. Let me show you the primary living room. The formal living room is big enough to fit you and all your guests, and it comes with this wall that acts as the prime focus for all your entertainment systems. This living room and all the other rooms in this home comes with floor-to-ceiling picture windows, and in addition to that, this room specifically comes with this opening that opens to the garden on the left side of this home. Let me take you to the guest bedroom. As you can see, the guest bedroom is big enough for all your guests, and it comes with 2 floor-to-ceiling windows. The closets of this bedroom are here, and as you can see, they are beautiful, very white, and floor-to-ceiling. These closets plus these ones here will be enough for all your guests. On this other side, you have this set of windows, and this one acts as a door that opens to the garden. The views here are very relaxing. I'll show you the guest bathroom. The guest bathroom comes with a showering area on this side, a vanity setup, and a set of drawers. On this other side, you have the washroom area, and it comes with a floating water closet. Let me show you the rest of the house. From the guest bedroom, I'll take you to the gym room. But before that, let's see the common washroom. At the entrance of the common washroom, you have a wash basin. The common washroom is just standard with a floating water closet and a tissue holder. Let's see the gym room. The gym room is of a standard size, and it comes with multiple sockets for all your gym equipment. This gym room opens to the garden on this side, and you have this massive window that gives you a ton of natural light and very good views. From this gym, you can access outside just in case you want to do your yoga. And the greenery here is perfect. That is the employees' residence. I'll show you that later. From the gym room, this hallway takes you to the informal living room, the dining area, and the kitchen. Come with me. This is the informal living room, and as you can see, it's massive, the space is endless, and the indoor-outdoor environment has been adopted very well in this room. This living room comes with a gas-powered fireplace, and this side of the living room opens to the garden that is next to the swimming pool. And the other side opens to the garden next to the guest bedroom. This wall is a masterpiece, and it can be used for all your artworks or for your entertainment. As you can see, it comes with some directional lights. The dining area of this home is supposed to be here, and this space is big enough to hold a dining table of 10 to 15 people. Next to me, you have the formal kitchen. This kitchen comes with an island that doubles as a breakfast table, and the kitchen comes installed with a microwave, an induction cooktop, and a cooler box. From there you can see that the kitchen comes with massive storage, granite countertops, and I'm very sure now you are asking, Mungai Kihara, is that not the smallest kitchen that we have seen in your channel? No, this is just part of it. The second kitchen is just next to me. Let me show you that. This is the normal kitchen, and as you can see, it comes with everything that you may require. On this side, you have your microwave. This space has been set aside for your refrigerator, and on the opposite side, you have a 5-burner cooktop, and above it, you have extra storage. This kitchen also comes installed with an oven, and behind me, you have the sink area. The sink area comes with a double sink and a dish washer. This door opens to the garden next to the employees' residence. From here, we'll just continue with the rest of the tour. From the normal kitchen, I'll show you the entertainment area, the swimming pool, and the employees' residence. From there, I'm very sure you are enjoying the environment around this space. This is the entertainment area, and those are the bathrooms to the entertainment area. The swimming pool is here, and as you can see, it's one of the most beautiful swimming pools that you have seen in this channel. Next to the swimming pool, you have these trees that will give you fresh air as you enjoy a swim with your partner, or as you teach your children how to do a proper swim. Let me show you the entertainment area. By the way, before I forget, this swimming pool comes with a kiddie pool. The entrance to the entertainment area is here, but all this space opens. The entertainment room comes with a traditional chimney, and here you can light a fire and enjoy it with the boys. On this other side, the entertainment room comes with a full-size kitchen. But in addition to that, you have these spaces for your wine. From here, I'll take you to the entertainment room's washroom area and the steam room. Here, you have the entrance to the steam room, and I would like you to have a look at it. Next to the steam room, you have the entertainment room's bathrooms, and they are just similar to the ones that I showed you in the main house. From here, I'll show you the employee residence. This is the employee residence, and it's just adjacent to the main kitchen. I'll not take you inside because the employees that are doing the maintenance of this home are living there. The laundry room is also located in the employees' residence. Let me take you back to the main house. From the entertainment area, we are at the center of this unit, and I have already showed you everything on this level. So we are going to take the stairs, and I'll show you all the other 4 bedrooms. Come with me. The bedrooms of this home has been divided into 2 wings. You have that wing that has the primary bedroom and 1 bedroom. This wing has been reserved for the kids' bedrooms. I will show you the first kids' bedroom. I just told you that this is a kids' bedroom. Now I'm traumatized because it's bigger than my house. Wow. But that's what you get for 120 million. This bedroom comes with massive floor-to-ceiling picture window, and it comes with a set of closets here and another set of closets on this side. This opening opens to this balcony that connects it to the primary bedroom. As you can see, the balcony is massive. The bathroom of this bedroom is here. The bathroom is standard and similar to the ones that we saw in the other bedrooms, and it comes with a set of drawers here, a vanity setup, a showering area that comes with a rain shower and a handheld, and on the opposite side you have the washroom area. Let me show you the second kids bedroom. The second kids bedroom is here. This bedroom is exactly similar to the first bedroom, and the only difference is this bedroom does not come with a balcony. The bedroom comes with a set of closets here and here, but this one comes with an L-shaped closet on this side. This is the bathroom of this bedroom, and it's just similar to the one that I showed you in the first bedroom. From here, I'll take you to the other wing of this home. This is the hallway that takes you to the other wing. And this is the entrance to the primary bedroom. This is the third bedroom. Follow me inside. This bedroom is slightly bigger than the first and the second bedroom, and it comes with a set of closets here and another set on the opposite side. The bathroom is here, but this bathroom is slightly bigger than the ones that we saw in the first and the second bedroom. The layout is also different. This bathroom comes with its vanity setup on this side and its water closet just next to me. This bathroom also comes with a set of drawers for your toiletries. On the other side, you have a shower cubicle that comes with all the other showering fixtures. From here, I'll take you to the primary bedroom. Before I take you to the primary bedroom, this balcony connects to the primary balcony on the other side. I'll show you that. The primary bedroom is massive, and it comes with a massive balcony that gives you a very good view to the swimming pool and the rest of the garden. On this other side, the bathroom opens to another massive balcony that connects to the first bedroom. As you can see, you will enjoy very good views of the rest of the estate. Let me take you back to the primary bedroom. The primary bathroom is on my right hand side. Come and see some craziness. At the right hand side of the entrance, this bathroom comes with a bathtub. Next to me, you have a double vanity setup, and on the opposite side, you have a double shower cubicle. You also have a double mirror. Simply, you have double everything. On the far front, you have the washroom area that comes with a floating water closet and a floating urinal set. Behind this bathroom, you have the walk-in closet. Let's see it. Now you see me. This is the walk-in closet, and it runs through the wall of this bedroom, and it's massive. This space is more than enough for you and your partner, and it's crazy. I love it here. From here, I'll take you to the primary bedroom mega balcony. This is the biggest balcony that you have seen in a while, and it opens to the swimming pool on this side, the garden, and the entertainment house. From here, you'll enjoy your wealth and breathe the freshest air of Nairobi as you enjoy the best views. That's all for this home, and I'm very sure you have enjoyed the tour. If you'd like to purchase this house, I will leave all our contacts in the first comment below. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.